Hi everyone, welcome to the Doubts Corner powered by the Expert Sage. So here is the third doubt which is based on the topic geometry, particularly of the quadrilaterals. So as our process, let's deal with the concept first, then we'll solve this question. So this particular concept is based on a micro concept known as British flag theorem. You must not, some of you must have heard it, some of you must not, but please remember this very useful theorem whenever the questions related to quadrilateral, specifically a square or a rectangle. You can surely use this beautiful theorem. What it says, let's say this side is A, this side is B, this side is C, and this side is D. So according to the British flag theorem, A square plus B square should be C square equal to C square plus D square. The derivation is very simple. It is derived from the applying Pythagoras theorem on the four triangles. We don't need to worry about the derivation. The simple thing is remember the end result. That is British flag theorem. To opposite side squares करके add should be equal to the same. So now let us try to do the question given. It says there are four friends starting from the four towns which are at the four corners of the imaginary rectangle. They meet at a point which falls inside the rectangle, sorry. After traveling 40, 50 and 60, the maximum distance that the fourth could have traveled approximately is. Now in this, we have not given the order who is starting from which vertices, right? But let me draw a rectangle first. Right? They must be at this four corners. A simple logic says if I want to travel a maximum distance, right? So this particular guy, he must be facing the person who is traveling the smallest distance, right? So this particular guy, this whose value I need to calculate, he must be facing a person who should have traveled the smallest distance because he needs to travel the maximum part, right? So I can just let me join this first. Yeah. So let's say this that fourth person is this X. As he needs to be maximum, he should be facing a person because if I consider this as a diagonal, he should take a major part of it. So this guy should be of the 40. And now this 50, 60 doesn't matter. This one can be 50, another can be 60. Now applying the British flag theorem, it is 40 square plus X square should be equal to 50 square plus 60 square. So basically 2500 plus 3600, that is 6200, and this is 1600. So X square comes out to be 4600, right? Now the closest square, this is a very obvious thing now. Which is the closest square near to this? It should be above 60, as 60 ka square is this, and below 70, as 70 ka square is 4900. So the as none of this is also not the answer has to be 67. If you calculate the approximate percentage value, it comes out to be 67. I hope this question is clear. Thank you.